You think you're scrolling for fun, watching clips, liking posts, passing time. But the truth is, every swipe you make is part of a billion-dollar psychological experiment. While you believe you're choosing what to watch, the system is actually choosing who you become. Because what you're inside of isn't just an app, it's not entertainment, it's not even social, it's something much darker. It's what I call the attention economy trap, a system designed not only to capture your focus but to rewire your brain, dictate your emotions, and reshape your reality. The moment you downloaded your first social media app, you entered into a contract, not in writing but in biology. You agreed to trade your attention for stimulation, and on the other side, trillion-dollar corporations agreed to turn that attention into profit. This isn't free, it's never been free. The price you're paying isn't in dollars, it's in dopamine, it's in hours, it's in relationships you could have built, and in focus you'll never get back. The first mechanism of the trap is what I call the dopamine loop, a cycle designed to mimic gambling addiction. Every like, comment, or new follower acts as a micro-win, a quick hit of dopamine. But here's the key, the rewards aren't predictable. Just like a slot machine, the system randomizes your payoff. Sometimes you get a flood of likes, sometimes nothing. That unpredictability makes your brain addicted to the possibility of the next reward. Psychologists call this variable reinforcement. Casinos perfected it, social media copied it and put it in your pocket. But dopamine alone isn't enough. To keep you hooked, the system needs precision. That's where the algorithmic control matrix comes in. Every scroll, every pause, every hesitation is recorded. The system isn't just guessing anymore. It knows. It knows what you'll watch when you're tired at midnight. It knows which creators make you laugh and which ones make you angry. It knows your desires better than you do. And most importantly, it knows how to keep you watching. This is not random entertainment. It's machine learning warfare. A personalized battlefield built from your own psychology. And then there are the notifications, those glowing red dots that haunt you. Why are they red? Because red is the color your brain associates with urgency, with danger. Why are they clustered together? Because bundles feel more rewarding than singles. Why do they arrive at random times? Because again, unpredictability hooks you deeper. This is the notification slot machine effect. You're not checking your phone is training you to check it. So what's the cost of all this? It isn't just wasted time, it's control. Because when your attention is hijacked, your emotions follow. When your emotions are manipulated, your decisions shift. And when your decisions shift, your entire life bends toward what benefits the platform, not you. You think you're choosing what to watch. In reality, the system is choosing who you are. Social media isn't designed to make you happy. It's designed to keep you engaged. And the fastest way to do that isn't through joy. It's through outrage, fear, and envy. Negative emotions spread faster than positive ones, and platforms know it. This is what I call the emotional hijack protocol. By feeding you polarizing content, the system ensures you stay online longer, arguing, reacting, sharing, not because it's good for you, but because it's good for business. The next layer is the social comparison trap. Every time you scroll, you're measuring yourself against carefully curated highlights of other people's lives. Vacations, success stories, perfect bodies, flawless relationships. What you don't see are their failures, their insecurities, their struggles. But your brain doesn't care, it compares anyway. This creates a cycle of dissatisfaction where your real life never feels enough. And the cruel twist. The worse you feel, the more you scroll, hoping for a hit of validation that never truly comes. But the most brutal mechanism is what I call the time extraction funnel. Because the platforms aren't just stealing seconds, they're stealing years. Think about it. The average person now spends over 2.5 hours a day on social media. That's more than 38 full days every year. A month of your life, gone, every single year. Multiply that by a decade, and you've lost an entire year of your existence to endless scrolling. The trap doesn't just steal your attention, it steals your future. The most dangerous illusion is the belief that you are in control. You think you can quit any time. But try putting your phone down for a week. Try deleting your apps. Most people can't. That's not weakness. That's design. Because the platforms were engineered to make quitting feel impossible. They've built what I call the withdrawal simulation. When you step away, you feel anxious, restless, even depressed. That isn't real loss, it's manufactured dependency. And while you're trapped, your data is being harvested. Every click, every pause, every facial expression caught by a camera, all fed into the data harvest machine. The real product isn't the content, it's you. Your behavior, your preferences, your vulnerabilities, packaged and sold to advertisers, governments, and corporations. You aren't the customer, you're the inventory. So is escape possible? Yes, but it requires strategy. You can't fight addiction with willpower alone. You need what I call attention defense systems. Step 1. Notification fasting. Turn off every non-essential alert. Break the slot machine cycle. Step 2. Time boxing. Schedule your usage into specific windows. Don't let the platforms dictate when you scroll. Step 3. Environment engineering. Keep your phone outside your bedroom. Separate your focus from your devices. Step 4. Dopamine recalibration. Replace scrolling with activities that generate slower, deeper rewards. Exercise, reading, real human connection. These are not easy fixes, but they're the only way to reclaim ownership of your attention. Because here's the truth. Your attention isn't just about entertainment. It's about power. Whoever controls your focus controls your choices. Whoever controls your choices controls your future. And right now, your future is being auctioned off, one click at a time. The attention economy trap isn't an app. It's not a platform. It's a global system designed to harvest the most valuable resource of the 21st century, human focus. If this analysis helped you see the trap more clearly, subscribe for more insights into the hidden architecture of modern life. Because the greatest illusion of all is thinking you're free while living inside a system designed to keep you scrolling forever. Knowledge is power, and understanding the trap is the first step to breaking free.